How to chat with a friends on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can chat with friends on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you're logged in, if you want to chat with one of your friends on Roblox, now from your home page navigate to your bottom right corner. There is this chat button, you have to tap on it. After that, you can search in the search bar, or you can search for your specific friend whom you want to chat with in the search bar. Now once you search for it, you have to click on their username. After that, you will see a chat box pop up in your interface. So on that chat box, you can chat with your friends, you can send them messages, and that's the way to chat with a friends on Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.